Hey guys, welcome back to the corner. It is Spanky and I'm doing week 16 tag challenge for Spanky's Crafty Corner 2019 group challenge, 52 weeks of tags. Many of you have already completed this one, but I have not yet. This tag is the Easter. Joy, paper, eggs, pink, yellow, and blue is our color combination. This is the tag that was worked on the weekend that I had to put Pixie down. So I'm going to work on tags today, and so I'm doing this one. So what I'm going to do is cover this tag with a napkin with some pink and yellow on there, and I cut out some paper eggs, and I have my perfect stamping positioning tool thingy, and I have a stamp in there that I will stamp a detail on there, and then we will glue it to it. That's what we're gonna do. Still getting things on the computer that we had to redo, which has been a pain in the butt. Oh, and as always, the tag is 7 inches by 3.5 inches. I forgot that step. It's been a while. And this is a vanilla file folder I used to make my tag out of, and I gessoed it. So we're just going to throw some Mod Podge down here. And then I will position my napkin on it, or well, I'll probably flip this over onto my napkin. Wipe this up real quick. Alright, let's see here. Yeah. I'm just going to flip this over as close to the edge as I can get it. Flip that back over. Excuse me. I'm going to use a brayer to flatten it down. I found using a brayer takes the wrinkles out, which is okay if there's wrinkles, but it helps so it doesn't stick to your fingers when you're pushing it down, and I don't get any tears in my napkin. So for me, that's what works. Whoops. And I will do a quick cover over with some Mod Podge, and then I'll use my heat tool to dry it, and when I do that I will speed things up. Just doing like a little thin layer over this. Okay. Okay, and while this tag dries a little bit more, I'm going to set that off on the side before I trim it. And I have some chipped sapphire distress ink by Tim Holtz. We'll be using that for my stamped image. So while that dries the rest of the way, I will work on this. I don't want a real dark on it. I want it just a light. Just to give it a little bit of color. Pretty. So there's one. Set that up on the side. Here's another one. We'll turn it upside down. And I'm going to tape that down. Cute. And then one more. I'm going to move this in a different location. I could pick the dang thing up. Come on. There we go. Cute. I like it. And I'll wipe that off. Not sure what's on there, but okay. Move that out of my way. And I played heck trying to get this off of this plastic. Like, it was not coming off. I had to peel and peel and peel. So I'll put this up so I don't lose it, because I've already lost the stamp and I don't know where I stuck it because it's stuck to something else. So the new trend is once I use it, I put it back in its package if I'm keeping the package, or I put it where it's supposed to go. So I can move this out of the way now. Oops. All right. I think that's dry enough. I can trim the paper off the edges now. I'm just going to go around it. Do my best to trim that extra off. Hopefully the lighting's good. I've had to readjust everything because of the new computer. Alright, so when I have this extra napkin, which will come in handy. And I need to poke my hole again. Okay. There we go. Just a chopstick. A crafty chopstick. Alright. So now I'm just going to position these eggs differently. Oh, I think I'm going to distress the edges because that'll help stand them out a little bit. Don't think I have one for that. Makeup sponge. I just need a little bit of distressing on the edges. Yeah, that'll work. There we go. Well, let's see here. We're going to shove that down in there. We're going to trim that a little bit. There. Okay. Let's see here. I think I want it like this. Yeah, I like that placement. We're going to flip it over, glue them to each other. Make sure I'm in frame here. Well, okay, wonky. All right. This is just Mod Podge in this little container here. I have one with tacky glue, Mod Podge, and glossy accents. I just don't know where I didn't look for my tacky glue one, but this will do just the same. Use my brayer to push that down in there. Alright, so now, what do I have to add? The word joy. So I have pink, yellow, and blue. So now I have to add the word joy across the top here. And I don't know if I have my stickers. Oh, let's see it. Oh, maybe. Might be able to find it in this. Yep, right there. Look at there. Joy. Oh, perfect. Oh, and I think I have a piece of black cardstock candy I will use to mount this on. If I can remember where I stuck it. There we go. Put that down there. Trim that up. And I have some foam squares here. Grab them. Couple of those on the back. These things are super sticky. Okay. It's simple, but I like it. Look how it turned out. It's super cute. Okay. So there is that tag. I like how that turned out. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!